Curtains are one of the most underrated design elements in a bedroom. Many people focus on furniture, lighting, and wall decor but forget that the right curtains can completely transform the look and feel of the space. Whether you want to make your bedroom look more luxurious, cozier, or modern, the right choice of curtains can help you achieve that. In this video, we'll share 7 mind-blowing curtain ideas that will revamp your bedroom in 2025, giving it a fresh, stylish, and high-end look. Stay tuned till the end because we'll also share some bonus tips on choosing the perfect fabric, color, and style for your bedroom curtains. One of the easiest ways to give your bedroom a high-end look is by using floor-to-ceiling curtains. Many people make the mistake of choosing curtains that just cover the window, but extending them from the ceiling to the floor instantly makes the room look bigger and more luxurious. This technique creates the illusion of taller ceilings and a more grand appearance. If you want a sophisticated and airy feel, go for sheer fabrics in white, soft beige, or light gray. If you prefer a more dramatic and cozy vibe, opt for velvet or blackout curtains in deep shades like navy blue, emerald green, or even charcoal black. To enhance this effect, ensure that your curtain rod or track is installed as close to the ceiling as possible. You can even opt for hidden ceiling-mounted curtain tracks, which give a seamless and modern look, making your curtains appear as if they're floating from the ceiling. If you've ever admired hotel-style bedrooms, you've probably noticed the use of layered curtains. This involves pairing a sheer curtain with a heavier drape, giving you the flexibility to control light and privacy while adding a touch of elegance. During the day, the sheer layer lets in natural light while maintaining privacy, and at night, the heavier drapes provide complete darkness and a cozy atmosphere. For a modern and elegant combination, you can pair white sheer curtains with rich velvet drapes in jewel tones like deep burgundy, forest green, or midnight blue. Alternatively, if you prefer a more subtle look, neutral colored linen curtains over sheers can give a soft, airy, and inviting ambience. A growing trend in interior design is ceiling-mounted curtain tracks, which eliminate the need for visible curtain rods and create a minimalist and modern appearance. This design works particularly well for contemporary and Scandinavian-style bedrooms, as it gives a clean, structured look. The benefit of ceiling-mounted curtains is that they create a continuous, unbroken flow of fabric, making your room feel more spacious. This technique is especially useful in small bedrooms where you want to maximize the feeling of openness. Fabrics like linen or wave-fold sheer curtains work beautifully with this setup, giving your space a soft and relaxed feel while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. If you want to create a romantic and intimate atmosphere, Canopy-style curtains are the way to go. These can be draped around a 4-poster bed or hung from the ceiling to create a cozy, enclosed feel. The beauty of Canopy curtains is that they add an extra layer of luxury and softness to the bedroom, making it feel like a private retreat. To achieve this look, use lightweight, flowing fabrics like chiffon, voile, or organza in soft pastel or neutral shades. If you want a bohemian touch, you can opt for earthy tones like sandy beige, muted terracotta, or soft olive green. Pairing Canopy curtains with fairy lights or warm LED strips around the frame can further enhance the dreamy effect. Not all curtains have to be plain and neutral. If you love a bold and statement-making bedroom, consider patterned or textured curtains. Geometric prints, floral designs, or embossed fabrics can add personality to your space. If you already have plain-colored walls and bedding, adding patterned curtains can be a great way to introduce color and character without overwhelming the room. For a sophisticated look, opt for subtle textures like jacquard or embroidered curtains in monochrome shades. If you want something bolder, geometric, or Art Deco prints in black, gold, or deep red can add a striking contrast. Just ensure that the patterns complement the rest of your decor to maintain a cohesive and stylish aesthetic. In 2025, home automation is becoming more popular, and smart motorized curtains are a fantastic upgrade for any modern bedroom. These curtains can be controlled using a remote, smartphone app, or even voice commands through smart assistants like Alexa or Google Home. Motorized curtains are not just about convenience, they also add a futuristic, sleek touch to your bedroom. You can program them to open in the morning to let natural light in and close at night for complete privacy. If you pair them with blackout fabric, they are perfect for home theater setups or anyone who wants to enjoy a fully dark room for better sleep. If you love a soft and elegant aesthetic, ombre curtains or delicate sheer panels can add a unique and artistic touch to your bedroom. Ombre curtains gradually fade from one color to another, creating a subtle and sophisticated look that blends beautifully with modern decor.